this video, I'll show you how to set up a pending order on Trading 212. So first of all, you need to go to the asset that you want to buy. So let's say you have it in here, or maybe you already have it and you want to buy some more. Then you're going to select that asset. Let's say we're going to select Palantir and we're going to click on buy. Then we can just select an amount that we want to purchase. So let's say we want around this 100 euro. Then in order to set up a pending order, what you need to check is this. You need to click on this sign, this logo at the top right that is indicated at every asset. And once you click on this, you will see the current trading hours. And as you can see, I'm in this zone saying that everything is green. And this means that the market for this stock is opened. So right now, when I set up an order, it will automatically be processed and then I will automatically purchase this stock. But if you want to set up a pending order, then what you need to do is you need to set up this order after this period. So when you are, for example, in the after hours section or pre-market or overnight, then the stock is not opened. And when you set up an order then this order will be pending and not be finalized yet. So if you want to do that, then just buy stocks outside of the market period. This is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.